Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Honda Pilot key fob. This process is quite simple and can save you a trip to the dealership. First, gather every key fob you want to program, as all must be done in one session. Make sure all your vehicle's doors, including the trunk, are completely closed before you begin. Now, let's get your vehicle into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, where the dash lights illuminate. Within 5 seconds, press the lock button on any remote for about 1 second. Then, turn the ignition to the off position. You'll repeat this on-lock-off sequence 3 more times, completing 4 cycles in total. Once you've completed the 4 cycles, with the ignition in the on position for the 4th time, press the lock button on your first remote. The vehicle's door locks will cycle, indicating you've successfully entered programming mode. Now, for each additional remote you wish to program, press its lock button within 5 seconds. The locks will cycle again, confirming each remote is accepted. To finalize the process, simply turn the ignition completely to the off position and remove the key. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, step out of your vehicle, close the door, and test each of your newly programmed key fobs. They should now successfully lock, unlock, and operate any other remote functions for your Honda Pilot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.